Well, good, humid, and hot morning to you folks. We are at this place over here at Lock 30. Lock 30 is behind the sign, which the sun is blaring at right now, but I'm going to show you the fire department. Marcedon Canal Park, I think is what this place is called. You got the fire department right here. You can just look up the fire department, brings you to the same place. There's the fire department, the driveway, the parking lot for the canal park. Now, we found this when we were doing that trail over there. Yep. Right across that barge canal is the Empire State Trail. So look for Lock 30 in my video description. And we are now going to do this short hike. We're keeping everything down to under a mile because of the oppressive heat wave going on right now. So, I guess we'll go where this truck's parked because there's a bunch of signs and information here to start the video off with. And then, yeah, see what happens. I think there is a boat launch here too. It's also breezy, which is good. Alright, here we go. I believe this is the Loop Trail. It's not too long. It was on one of my many come back to hike trails. So here we are. Trail route, short trail, quarter mile, full trail, half mile. Butterfly Nature Trail. It's the trail name, but it's all faded. Hopefully all these signs aren't faded. And we're making fun of these signs. We're doing the Empire State Trail too, so they're legible. Nice little park setting. Wonder Walker. So this must be some sort of story. Is the moon the world's nightlight? Got a lot of these to do, folks. Yeah, this is for kids kind of thing, so. Is rain the day's tears? Is the wind world breathing? Are the rivers earth veins? Are the shells the shore's necklace? Oh, it's the birds at night, isn't it? Is the ocean the world's bath? This is question marks. Do caves have mouths? Is dirt the skin? Are roots the plant's toes? Are branches trees' arms? Are trees the sky's legs? I wonder, me too. Do mountain have bones? Are forests the mountain's fur? I know they're hard. Is fog the river's blanket? Is the sun the world's light bulb? Creepy trail going back in there and that creepy post back in there. Kind of creepy. Wonder Walk, sure. Hold the info. Pause and read. Yeah, if you don't know, I got the hiking kind of. How to enjoy the story walk. Don't leave me alone in my thoughts would be one way to enjoy a walk. My thoughts scare me sometimes. What? Anyway. These look, well, I didn't realize this was all here. Lock 30. These are Oh man, these are lock related, obviously, so if anybody knows what these would have been used for, they were going back way in the day. I mean, you can tell. As far as nobody's over there, well, as far as I know, nobody's over there on the Empire State Trail. Now remember, all this was drained when we hiked it, so waters are back up to level. And they were working on Lock 30. Maybe I should pay a visit to that as a recap. Some stonework over there. Got something going on over here. Nice little things along the way. Towpath volunteers. So these wrecks must have volunteers things on them. Towpath volunteers and fife and drum corps. For more information, it is getting humid out. I mean, you want to see my getup? This is hilarious. Have to wear the hat to keep the bald spot from shining. Have to wear the glasses to see in the bright sunlight. Have to wear Heiss's shirt that says Kenosha Route, everything's worse. Because today's high is going to hit 100 something in upstate New York. We got up to 100, 101 yesterday. And today's supposed to be the hotter of the days. The heat index yesterday was 107. Upstate New York. We're not in California or nowhere near Kenosha Pass or anything like that. This is upstate New York. Lake Ontario is close by. And you're talking hundreds. Yeah, I can't read that. Alright, so this is a... So yeah, now the factor in the humidity is in the 80s too. So not only that's going to be high 90s, low hundreds, humidity. Thus the hat and the glasses and the everything's getting worse shirt. And I did plan that. I'm like, yeah, this trip's going to be fun. Oh yeah, I know what shirt I can wear down. Everything's worse. It's getting worse gradually as the day goes, right? I mean, I just showed you when I got out of the car. It's already 84 degrees. It's 8 o'clock. Our normal high around here is about 70, 75. And then you start throwing hundreds in there. Why don't we just turn that nice little heat index knob a little bit more and just get some humidity going. Yeah, there you go. You smell something cooking? Oh, wait a minute. Can't read that one either. That's the sad thing about a lot of these signs and the stuff you can read of, they're cracked and you can't read half of them. I think the original Clinton's ditch is over here. I'm not 100% sure on that. There's some kind of ditch. Looks like it may be Clinton's. Fragrances around here though. You see that one's all cracked too. It's just like you can't. Well, here's the other trail. Again, I'm not sure what these are. If anybody knows, because all the trails in this county have this, the Wayne County Trail. But I'm not sure what it is. I tried looking up the website there, and it's confusing too. All the Wayne County trails have that. Ah, yep. I was right. This one I can kind of read. Clinton's Ditch. Three canals side by side. 1825, the original Erie Canal is complete. Erie Canal is completed. Clinton's Ditch. 1862, a large Erie Canal is completed. And the present day barge canal, 1918. So you got the 1918 canal. Oh, I almost fell down that hill. The enlarged one. Oh, why? There's a train over there in Clinton's Ditch. I keep tripping over that rock. I'm sorry, but you are talking about the canal, and there's a train horn. Usually that's an Empire State Trail trademark, but not today. Well, you are talking about the canal, and Empire State follows the canal. And we're talking about the canal, so I might as well just have the train horn blow when you're talking about the canal. It's trademark. Anyway, this is one of the few places in the state where you can see all three versions of the canal side by side. Follow the far shoreline to the right, and as you look away, you'll see a small channel. This is the original Erie Canal. The enlarged Erie Canal took a slightly more northern route, and is the next channel you see. To the right of the original canal, the present day canal was built even further to the north, and can be seen behind you. So the recap: Clinton's Ditch, enlarged Erie Canal, present day canal. Now the questions I have is, why didn't they just make the Clinton's Ditch larger? Probably to keep boats moving, I'm thinking, but still, in the wintertime they could chunk out a section and then open it up for the season. But you think it'd be a lot easier just to make the ditch larger instead of, oh, let's build a new ditch. Let's build a new ditch over here, all the way down. And just think how many miles long this is. So again, there's the original Clinton's Ditch. Yay, we learned something. Not sure what that is for. It's empty right now, I can tell by the sunlight. Here's another one of those things. Again, not sure what. Oh, never mind. Have you wondered? Yes, I have. What are these boxes? What were they used for? These boxes have historical value. I kind of figured that out. And were used in various ways. In 1900, they were used on Onondaga Lake, Syracuse, New York, for oil barges to tie up to while waiting to unload oil for transport to other locations. They were later brought to this location to catch debris before it reached the Route 350 catch gate in the old Erie Canal to your left. If you know any other uses, please contact the Erie Canal Museum. To the left. There's nothing to it. Oh, maybe there. Oh, I see. Maybe through there was the enlarged canal, because you got Clinton's Ditch, and then there's this section of forest, and then the barge canal. I wonder if the canal, the other one, the enlarged one, went through there. Maybe. Well, we're coming up to some shade. That's a heck of a place to put a bench in direction. Let's sit at that bench. Looks at a bush. Why? Well, at least we got some shade now. Yeah. It'll be 90 by 9. Just thought of. It's like a radio station. We play the 90s at 9. Well, no, that's the temperatures this week. Go back out to the main area. Yeah, it's a good half-mile loop. The original Erie Canal. Sasquatch is over there just chilling. The original Erie Canal, 40 foot wide, 4 foot deep, was started in 1817 and completed in 1825. The canal proved so successful that it was enlarged 70 feet wide and 7 feet deep between 1836 and 1862. The enlarged canal was replaced by the present-day canal, which is completed in 1818. Both original and enlarged ran in the channel beyond this sign. Today, these former canals are used as a spillway, allowing water to pass around Lock 30. So they're still serving some sort of purpose. And here's where our journey ends for the trail. I'm going to stick around and do some shots for the remainder of the video. Like, I want to kind of see Lock 30 again, show you the before and after pictures pretty much. Like the last time I was here when it was drained. Sign about butterflies. What was that noise? As soon as you pointed. Yeah. We're going to go this way. Yeah, ain't too much to see over here. Pretty much this is it. I guess if you're coming down this way, what is that noise? You come through this little opening and then you can do it the other direction. I did it backwards as always. You can launch a boat here, so that's boat, kayak, whatever here it looks like. Yeah, and it feeds right into the canal anyway, so this keeps you from having to deal with the locks and everything. Get ready to see the Clinton's Ditch a little better. Oh, it's part of the water trail too. Little pavilion in the background. Alright, let's go back to the car. Turn the AC on maximum. Gonna need it. That's about it. Picnic area. Anyway, so you've seen one picnic area, you've seen them all. Tables and cooking grills. Alright. Here's what the entrance to that looks like. So start over here. I did it backwards. It's the butterfly trail. Alright, across the other side to Lock 30 to get a before and after shot. I looked it up. It's Empire State Trail westbound number 28. It says Lock 30 right in the video. But we did a panning shot. I looked this way, looked that way. This is how deep the canal is here. This is how deep it is here. So we're going to recreate that today and show you the difference. And hopefully there's no trains going for a swim this time. And that's where they were repairing that wall. That's now complete. Looking straight this way, this is what a full canal looks like. Lock 30. Again, I don't know if you can cross those because it's funny that it says walk bicycles on canal lock gates. So, and here's what it looks like full pool looking this way. Now when you look this way, it was just a small little creek. And now it's up to full steam ahead. What a difference. Again, I believe that's toward the beginning of the episode. 28 westbound, Lock 30. Little berm wall here. I just want to show that with you. Just take a peek in the lock, I guess. See how much water is in there. I'm surprised boats ain't moving around this part. Yeah, it's still drained, kinda. It's got some water there. Yeah, what difference in a couple months. Alright, off to our next adventure. Just wanted to share that with you.